Compumedic's Neuroscan provides comprehensive solutions for epilepsy, beginning with EEG acquisition to EEG data analysis, through estimating the source of the epileptic activity and assistance in surgical planning. The first step in estimating the location of an epileptic source is the generation of an individualized cortical surface. We will demonstrate automatic segmentation of the surface, generation of the individual volume conductor model, and then a source solution for an epileptic spike. First, we begin with segmentation of the cortical surface. We are demonstrating an automated process by which the boundary element model is created, which is a realistically shaped volume conductor model that separates first the brain from the skull and the skin to create a 3-shell model. This automated process can take well less than 1 minute. Now, once these calculations are completed, we will see the resulting 3-dimensional cortical surface, as shown on the right. On the top left, we have a representation of an epileptic spike over a very short time frame, approximately 1 second. Below that, we have the 2D voltage distribution map. On the right, we have a single dipole solution on the uprise of the first peak of the epileptic spike. The results for a single moving dipole are shown at right, surrounded by a 95% confidence ellipsoid. In addition to this single dipole solution, we can also calculate a current density reconstruction of the results based on a distributed dipole model, and that is now superimposed on the data. The smoothed current density map can be recomputed and illustrated as individual dipole sources for the distributed dipole model. The 3D visualization can be rotated and isolated. We can also summarize the change in the location of activity as a function of time and estimate a location for each digitized time point in the waveform. In this particular case, we see propagation of the activity, which begins first on the lateral inferior surface of the temporal lobe to the tip of the temporal lobe and then along the superior surface of the lobe. All time points may then be shown simultaneously to illustrate time-changing location or propagation of the epileptic spike activity, beginning with the purple and red at the onset of the spike through to the dark blue, lighter blue, and green at the later time points. Thank you for your time. At Compumedic's Neuroscan, we provide the most complete solution for your epilepsy needs, from EEG acquisition to data analysis, through epilepsy source estimation, and to surgical planning.